10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano yan? Masama Casey?
Hindi, naglagay kasi ako ng mga portal pati mga gateway pa.
Ay, i-call mo pre. Sorry. Hindi napapansin yun. Okay lang, pwede naman tayo mag-slow dito pre.
Aspect of the
Pabor nga eh.
wild.
Drew, stop DPS. Hindi, joke lang. Baka naman.
Stasis trap.
Hindi kita sa...
Forerunner rings.
Eh.
Symbol of hope.
Okay, ready? Watch your feet. Don't take portal yet.
Glyph of
Okay, go
relocation.
now. Okay.
Aura
Watch your
mastery.
HP here. Revivaling.
Hyperlight Sparnova.
Gucci, spread out here. Ton and Chain Harvest. Kasi lakas ng revival ang puta. Buddy.
Trap. Forerunner rings.
Mas napalitan ba?
Slow a bit.
Lahat yan.
Should be fine. Rally na lang natin tail end nito. Happy, innervate.
Innervate. Countered.
Be inside guys.
Salvation.
Blink. Napula ata. Stun. Okay.
Countered.
Hyperlight Ascension.
Countered.
Stop on the 600k one. Stop on the 600k. Full stop.
Rallying cry.
Routing.
Okay, kill
Gateway.
now. Go now.
Countered.
43. Sakit pa rin. Pick. Nah, we're fine. 8 seconds to ads. Wala gab. It is what it is. Heal hard.
Trying.
The Cartel Elite. Hyperlight Sparnova.
Baka pwedeng sa first part tayo mag-stop kaysa dun sa may ad phase.
Mas okay nga.
Stasis
Sakit
trap.
eh.
Sa tingin ko wag na mag-DPS si Drew sa phase 1 eh.
Forerunner rings.
Pagkatapos mag-Wild Spirit, wag na siya tumira.
Hindi ka mag-alala, Drew. Hindi ka namin.
Ready here? Take portal now.
Glyph of relocation.
Spread out around circle range.
Spell wording.
Watch your HP here. Okay, go.
Hyperlight Sparnova.
Spread out here.
Range move.
Stasis trap.
Okay. Perfect trap placement. One more here. Na-trap ba to si Munch? Munch, mali ang pwesto, makakitang-kita. Okay. Ready here? Take portal and then range spread on circle. Okay, ready here? Don't forget. Okay, go now. Range spread on circle. Wait for the grip here. Stop up! Yung mga low. Okay, we're good. Yeah, push boss here.
Gateway.
Third group na, no?
Yes. Papatayin mo na to, Pat.
Moon ng drop.
Yes. Moon drop. Yan, thanks for reminding.
Countered.
Okay.
Aspect of the wild. Countered.
Tan, Kera.
Divine him.
Kinocommit ko din yung gabi.
Countered.
Hyperlight Ascension.
Countered.
Okay, we good? Kill everything here.
Countered.
20 seconds pa seed.
Okay lang yan.
Pasakta lang.
Okay lang yan. Okay.
Ashen Hallow.
The Cartel Elite. Hyperlight Sparnova.
Dodge feet.
Ito.
Dodge feet.
Stasis trap.
Dodge.
Forerunner rings.
Revival.
Okay, we good.
Hey, wait for grip.
Ingat sa... Wait for
grip.
circle.
Glyph of
Okay,
Okay,
relocation.
ready here? Get ready to blink here. Get ready to blink. Everybody blink and plant yourselves. Blink and plant yourselves.
Oh,
Health pot. Everybody health pot. Survive. Health pot. It's okay, we can be res.
Nag-shout ako.
Tangina, flesh crap pa more.
Kanina gumamit.
Teka lang, mamaya
Push, push,
magpatawa.
push, push, push.
Focus, just push boss. Start moving the boss to skull. Start moving the boss to skull. We should be able to beat the strings. Start moving the boss to skull. X, tank is diamond.
Spell.
Okay, we got this.
Forerunner rings.
We got one Beerus. Focus here. Okay, we bloodlust here.
Gago, umabot.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. It's nothing. Doesn't mean anything.
Salvation.
Pwede na kayo sa moonside kung abot nyo. Wag lang harang.
Just fucking blast the boss. Blast the boss. Second pot, everything. Okay, this is the traps here. Napaganda pa nga na umabot Marco eh. Sabog. Kera mid. Hard mid.
Dito okay.
Yeah, sakto yan. Okay, ready here? Okay, we follow this, okay? Watch your feet.
Lapit na sa ring.
Watch. Okay, ready? Portal now. Follow immediately. We personal health pot, everything. SLT dito, SLT here. SLT on... Oh, puta, ba't ano nangyari? Mga late pumasok sa portal.
Portal.
Divine hit.
Take portal. We're good. Take portal.
Wait.
Kami isa pa.
Wait pala.
Bawal sobrang bilis mak.
Keep going.
Biris.
Ank gab. Biris DPS. Ank gab. Biris healer. Me. Happy.
Na-stun ako.
Niteo biris me.
May
Niteo.
trap.
Niteo.
Hyper light Sparno.
No more Bires.
We have. Kill. We got this. Bomb. Niteo out. Everybody personal here. Niteo AMZ. The raid.
Anti-magic zone.
Trap.
Forerunner
Somebody human that.
Ako na.
We got this. Are you ready? Take portal soon. Okay, portal now. Take now, and then follow. Follow.
Hyper light Sparnova.
Then stay first. Alright, take portal. Okay, wait. Stay here. Wait. Take portal now. Go.
May trap.
Glyph of relocation.
200k. We got this.
Let's go.
Execute.
Ashen Hallow.
Cute. 30k.
20k.
Ooh, nice one.
May trap pala dun sa gitna po.
Meron pa rin. Na-trap din ako eh. May revival pa naman ako.
Okay lang, nice.
May revival pa naman ako.